out, smoke on, go. Lights are on. A big wave now to Gerry Humphreys in his ORV7. Straight into the series of manoeuvres. Gerry's pulling up. Smoke is on. He's doing a big wide loop to say hello to Bray. You can see the black and white markings I mentioned. Gerry's aircraft painted like a flying Frisian cow. Or a piebald tongue, if you might remember, flying cow. The smoke, in fact, is nothing to be alarmed of. Gerry is injecting diesel fuel into the hot exhaust and it's vaporizing, but it does allow us to keep close tabs on the aircraft as he goes straight up now to a stall turn, almost falling out of the sky, boot full of left rudder, and down again. He's down at, well, speed up to about 170 knots just here, almost at the V and E, the maximum speed of the aircraft. Slowing down now, smoke on. You can see his head in the canopy. It's got a very wide view from the top of the canopy there. He gives a very, very nice display, very tight over the line. Just doing a little roll there, heading up to Bray head. He will switch on and off the smoke as the manoeuvres are delineated to the sky. He's on the south side of the manoeuvre now, watching, expect the aircraft to do a little bit over the top, pulling it tight, put a bit of power on, and away she goes. The wingspan of the aircraft is in fact quite short. It's only about 25 feet across, so it's a kind of a short, stubby aircraft, but nonetheless gives him fantastic lift for what he has to do now. Doing a series of rolling manoeuvres there, straight on the axis. Highly experienced aerobatic pilot and indeed instructor, and it's great to see the aircraft glinting in the sunshine this afternoon. I was a bit worried about the fact that the cloud is streaming in off the coast. That has now given away to cloud. Gerry has got no problem finding 3,000 or 3,500 feet if he wants. He's doing a bit of a wobble there now, just saying hello. Smoke is on again, and away he goes up. Now Gerry is undergoing G-forces, and I'll explain a bit that later on, what the difference between negative and positive is, and I'll just explain it to you. But suffice to say that in some of the manoeuvres here, he's going to feel his own body weight increase by up to 5 or 5.5. So you have to be extremely fit to fly manoeuvres like this, and that's true of all the pilots here this afternoon. He's way out there now over the sea, straight up, he close to the throttle, he's going to manoeuvre. A bit of a stall turn there, aircraft heading back on its own axis, doing 180 degrees and diving again. He's giving us wonderful shapes here over Bray this afternoon. It's lovely to see this guy blue out to the east, and you can see his white smoke quite clearly. And indeed, Gerry left the bottom of the aircraft completely white, devoid of spots, the Frisian type, so that we can distinguish between him as he heads up and what's the upper part of the aircraft compared to the lower part. He has a fixed undercarriage, it doesn't retract into the fuselage, it doesn't really slow him down much. It's a tail dragger, that is to say the main undercarriage makes the tail land as well. Doesn't have a nose wheel.
We will, 2 minutes.
Pulling it really tight there.
Look at that aeroplane flying.
Gerry loves coming to Bray, so much so that he may have a second aircraft here this afternoon to get back to
Listen till I take.
In fact, Gerry is a glutton for punishment. I'm told he's got not just one, he's going to show us 2 more aircraft after this. So I don't know, I hope he had his lunch before he came out flying on this, because this is not something you should do after a heavy Sunday lunch. Not good for the roast beef. Now he's just flicking through manoeuvres. Look at that now. He's spinning down. Rotations. Stops the rotations with the rudder on aileron. Opens the throttle and flies away to the south. He makes it look easy, but it's by no means easy. All of the aircraft shown here this afternoon have, of course, displayed the permits. The pilots are highly qualified and have been approved by the appropriate people to display for us this afternoon. Gerry giving another little bit of rudder there, spinning through. You can see as the aircraft slows to an enormous stop at the top of these manoeuvres that the smoke almost catches up with them. The propeller just blows it backwards a little bit there. He's almost catching hesitation rolls here now, giving a good look at the aircraft. I did mention earlier, if you have a camera, if you've got a video, you've got some lovely pictures here this afternoon. The aircraft glinting as it turns there. We have no difficulties at all with weather, and all of the aircraft that are planned will be here in due course, and we'll announce them in due course. Gerry rotating, heading back on his own axis there. He climbs to about 2,000 feet at the top of these manoeuvres. He's bringing the aircraft exactly online, so we're getting a good look at the aircraft heading north and south, east and west. And we can follow his progress.